today we're headed to Yunque. We're gonna do some zip lining. There's a waterfall there, so you can jump off and do all that kind of stuff. Lucio and Ferrado Beach is also nearby. So, and I think I read somewhere that you can snorkel there too, but we'll see how that goes. I know y'all are like, but Drew, your leg. Yeah, but YOLO, so we're gonna do this anyway. Hopefully my leg doesn't bother me too much. But it's whatever. I got a bandage up right now. It looks kind of ugly, but I'm only in Puerto Rico for so long, so I gotta make do with what I got. So, anyways, off to Yunque. See you guys there. Alright, yo. So we're planning to go ziplining today, but as we were coming up this mountain in Yunque rainforest, we stopped by this viewing area and we had to stop to show you this. Check this out. Live. Peep the leg. It's alright. It's alright. Just man it up. Live and direct from the rainforest. Nice and cool here. I can see how people were able to live. Like the Indians.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Get to this waterfall, get a cool shot, be on my way. Alright, so we made it. I'm about to show you the hill. What's the name of this waterfall again? Ramanina or something like that? Check this out. Alright, so I guess we should have expected rain in a rainforest. But yeah, so we just got caught out in like a rainstorm. And we found this little like hut thing, a shelter for the time being. But we're running out of time because we want to get to ziplining still. So hopefully we can get out of here quickly and get to that. Anyways, the waterfall was gorgeous though. Unfortunately, I could not go in. I just didn't want to push the leg too far just yet. Just made it back to the car, so now we're about to try to find some ziplining. And this battery is kind of low, so I'm gonna charge it. So.
Minha voz tá maluca, rodando de turístico, minha voz tá maluca.
So yo, we decided we wanted to just drive around to try and find a place to eat. And we came across this strip. Oh shoot, is this a Fiat? A Barth? Oh, look at the Barth, yo! Snapchat that for MG, yo.
And a shorty car.
Woo, what? Anyway, so take a look at the options that we have. First of all, we're right by the beach, which is right there. And then this strip is crazy.